Hello guys, welcome to TechVideos. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you copy text from live text on photos. So guys, it's super easy. You can copy text from live text from anywhere. All you need to do is just open your camera. So let's just open my camera. And as you can see, if I put my camera here like this, there is an icon beside the zoom in the right side. If you click on this like this, you can see it has already selected this text like this. And if you click on select all, you can select all. You can also look up from here by selecting this. Just like if you want to select this particular thing, you can select it. You can also select this, all the whole thing, or just like this para, you can select it, only this part. And if you click on copy, you can copy it and you can paste it anywhere. Again, if you click on this and if you click on translate, it will be translate to any language that you want to translate. As you can see, in my case I have selected Japanese, so it is translating into Japanese. And if you click on this here, the language, you can change the language. You can change it to translate from English to any language as you like. Just like if I want to translate it to German, it will be translated to German from here. You can copy the translation from here. If you click on copy translation, you can add it to your favorites. You can download languages as well, other languages if you want to translate. If you want to select the whole, you can select it like this. Just like click on select all, click on here, and if you click on share, you can share it to anywhere, any of the platforms. Just like if you click on mail, you can mail it to anyone if you want. And from here too, you can select the mail from the recipient's mail. Just like if I select a dummy mail here, and all you need to do is just click on this send icon in the top right. That's all. You can also share it to any kind of platforms as you want. It is up to you. You can make it like here. You can see the length here. If you click on here, you can see it is like 9 feet and 10.11 inches. And if you click on it, it will be gone again. You can do this in the notes as well. If you go to the notes, if you click the bottom right side this icon and select this camera icon here, click on scan text and you can scan the text and it will be inserted to your notes like this. As you can see, it has inserted to your notes. All you need to do is just click on the top right done. So guys, that's how you can use live text to copy text from photos. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.